As electric bikes continue to surge in popularity, many cycling enthusiasts are turning to e-bike conversion kits as a cost-effective and sustainable alternative to buying a brand new electric bicycle. In 2025, the market is brimming with innovative kits designed to transform your standard pedal bike into a powerful electric ride, offering everything from sleek hub motors to high-torque mid-drive systems. Whether you're looking for a daily commuting solution, an off-road boost, or simply want to enjoy longer rides without fatigue, there's an e-bike conversion kit that fits your needs. In this guide, we've rounded up the top 5 best e-bike conversion kits of 2025, evaluating them based on performance, ease of installation, battery life, and overall value. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a casual rider, these kits provide the ultimate blend of technology and convenience to electrify your cycling experience. Kamingo E-bike Kit. The Kamingo E-bike conversion kit offers an innovative and user-friendly way to electrify your existing bicycle without tools. According to official specs, the kit comprises 3 modular components: a rear friction drive 750 watt peak, 250 watt nominal, PMSM motor with FOC and pressure adaptive technology, a 266 watt-hour battery using 16 automotive-grade 21,700 cells, and a handlebar controller, all weighing just 2.3 kilograms combined. Installation is remarkably simple. An initial base mount takes around 3 minutes, and thereafter the kit installs or removes in just 10 seconds, making it truly plug-and-play. The motor delivers up to 40 Newton meters of torque, enabling assisted speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour in regulated regions and 32 kilometers per hour where allowed. It includes 3 ride modes: standby, assist, and cruise, throttle, controlled via the handlebar interface, which also displays speed, range, and battery level via Bluetooth or wired connection. The battery takes roughly 3 hours to fully recharge, offers USB-C charging for accessories, and supports a regenerative braking function that can extend ride duration. In real-world terms, riders can expect around 90 kilometers in assist mode, closer to 45 kilometers depending on terrain, with a realistic single charge assist range of 30 kilometers under mixed conditions. The motor and battery are IP66 rated for dust and water resistance, feature tilt shutdown and debris detection safety, and Bluetooth locking to deter theft. Priced at $350 during the super early Kickstarter phase, full MSRP $589, Kamingo delivers a compact, powerful, and portable e-bike conversion at a fraction of the cost of a full e-bike, without sacrificing functionality or convenience. Swytch Max Plus Front Hub Kit. The Swytch Max Plus Front Hub Kit builds on the brand's signature plug-and-play simplicity, now with enhanced power and safety features. This front hub conversion kit includes a bespoke 250-watt geared motor wheel that delivers up to 40 Newton meters of torque, enabling the bike to reach a regulated top speed of 15 miles per hour, approximately 24 kilometers per hour. The lightweight motor wheel weighs approximately 2.6 kilograms, ensuring nimble handling on a wide variety of bike types: mountain, hybrid, road, folding, and more. The real standout is the upgraded 280 watt-hour Max Plus battery pack, mounted conveniently on the handlebars via Swytch's Quick Connect system. The battery supports a claimed range of 20 to 40 miles, approximately 32 to 64 kilometers, depending on terrain and usage. It also features an integrated headlight and USB-C port that doubles as a power bank, enough to charge a smartphone about 200 times. In addition, the battery pack adheres to strict UN and CE safety certifications and is rated IPX6 for dust and water resistance. One appeal of this system is its total user-centric design. Once the battery is removed, the bike returns to its standard form, ideal for storage or public transport. The kit is available now, priced at £999, approximately $1,333. RRP, offering a high-end e-bike conversion for under $1,400. well below the average cost of a new electric bike. In essence, the Swytch Max Plus kit combines effortless installation, legal pedal assist power, upgraded range, and battery as power bank functionality. It provides a smart, lightweight, and safe route to electrify nearly any bike with premium specs and features. CYC PHOTON Gen 2. The CYC PHOTON Gen 2 is a sophisticated mid-drive conversion kit that brings high-end eMTB performance in a compact and quiet package. Built around CYC's Gen 3 torque-sensing bottom bracket, the motor offers smooth, natural pedal assist and supports firmware configurable power from legal 250 watts up to a peak of 750 watts, and even 1200 watts off-road, with robust 110 Newton-meters torque. Weighing just 3.2 kilograms without cranks, it maintains excellent ground clearance thanks to its helical gear layout, minimizing noise and maximizing durability. PHOTON is compatible with a wide range of bikes, bottom bracket sizes from 68 to 83 mm up to 120 mm, BSA and press fit, and chain rings of 34 teeth, 38 teeth, 42 teeth, or 42 teeth 50T. The kit includes a motor with integrated X-series controller, torque-sensing freewheel, ISIS splined cranks, 165 mm or 175 mm, waterproof wiring, thumb throttle, speed sensor, and your choice of DS103 or SW102 display, all excluding battery. Battery support spans 36 to 52 volts via XT90 connector, with options from compact Super Shark to high-capacity Mega Shark packs, delivering flexible range and power. The CYC Ride Control mobile app provides on-the-go tuning, adjust pass, throttle parameters, torque limits, and safety settings wirelessly. At a retail price of $950, often around $855 on sale, the PHOTON Gen 2 is a premium proposition, excluding the battery. However, its stellar torque sensing, modular compatibility, lightweight refinement, and fine-tuning tech justify the investment for riders seeking performance and adaptability. With a 2-year warranty and robust build quality, it's a standout mid-drive option for serious cyclists looking to upgrade their rides. LIVALL PikaBoost 2. The LIVALL PikaBoost 2 stands out as an ultra-portable friction drive conversion that transforms almost any bike in under a minute. Available in 2 editions, the essential 158 watt-hour battery, and the more powerful 220 watt-hour battery version. The powerful edition retails at US $399, often discounted to $369. The Essential Edition starts around $369, while bundles range from $489 to $528 with extra batteries or tires, depending on the package. The system weighs just 3 kilograms, featuring a compact 43.6 by 13.1 by 8.9 centimeters main unit, and IP66 water rating for robust all-weather durability. Its motor is rated for continuous 250 watts, with peaks up to 500 watts, delivering assistance up to 25 kilometers per hour, or approximately 32 kilometers per hour in regions with higher speed limits. Users can select from 4 ride modes: standby, assist, 2 levels, cruise, and workout, increasing versatility and control. Battery-wise, the 158 watt-hour model offers a range of up to 50 kilometers, while the 220 watt-hour version extends range to about 70 kilometers, roughly 31 miles and 43 miles respectively. Both batteries charge in 3 to 4 hours with a 65 watt PD 3.0 charger, and feature swappable packs that also double as power banks for USB-powered devices. Safety features include gyroscopic fall and slip detection with auto shutdown at tilt, intelligent e-braking with brake cutoff, LED rear light with brake and turn signaling, and full app and remote control functionality with OTA updates. According to reviews, it's fast and easy to install, with one DIY reviewer calling it the simplest, coolest e-bike conversion kit I have ever seen. To sum up, the PikaBoost 2 offers an impressively light, smart, and safe solution for riders wanting occasional e-assistance without committing to a full e-bike, at a competitive sub-$400 price. Skarper E-bike Conversion Kit. The Skarper E-bike Conversion Kit redefines simplicity and performance with its innovative click-on, click-off disc drive system. Designed to replace your existing rear disc brake rotor, the kit boasts a 250 watts brushless motor, delivering 45 Newton meters of torque, sufficient to propel your bike to the legal EU-UK top speed of 25 kilometers per hour. All motor, controller, and a 240 watt-hour integrated battery are housed within a compact unit weighing 4.5 kilograms, plus approximately 600 grams for the disc drive rotor. This self-contained design ensures minimal weight distribution impact and preserves your bike's original handling. Skarper's standout feature is its dynamic climb pedal sensor, using Bluetooth to intuitively adapt power based on your pedaling and terrain, offering seamless ride responsiveness without toggling through modes. Battery performance aligns with real-world expectations. Eco mode yields up to 50 kilometers, while turbo mode gives around 30 kilometers, with a partial boost range of 10 to 15 kilometers for a quick 30-minute charge. A full recharge takes just 2.5 hours, and the unit meets IP55 standards rotor, IP54 ensuring durability in everyday conditions. Certified to EU e-bike standard EN 15194, the Skarper includes a 2-year warranty, and maintenance needs are minimal thanks to its sealed gearbox design. Pricing reflects its engineering pedigree. The standard single drive kit retails at £1,495, approximately $1,890, and even the dual bike bundle is available for £1,890. In summary, the Skarper kit offers exceptional build quality, rapid installation, and intuitive pedal assist in a sleek, integrated form. While the 1.5K price tag places it at the premium end of the market, its combination of torque, range, portability, and design innovation makes it a compelling option for riders seeking a seamless and professional-grade e-conversion.